So I've been buying more and more my snack foods online. These are you buy a couple of boxes at once. You can know that they're going to be good, and you don't have to pay the extra fee for the convenience store. So you know you're going to eat snacks anyway. Why not buy them ahead of time? So I went with these organic wheat square crackers this time. Looks like 11 grams of whole grain in each serving. And they're from 365 Whole Foods Market. They taste like a low salt version of a thin cracker I'm familiar with. They're really fulfilling. Wow, they're really good. They're like a more of a savory graham cracker almost. I mean, there is salt on them, but it's not overwhelming. If you're going to be putting them in a dip or something, or using these with some other recipe, the salt isn't going to be unnecessary. Really good. So I'm glad I got them. Like I say, when you buy them online, you get a couple of boxes right away. You save money. They get delivered to your house. What's to lose? All right. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.